Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset Audacity to its default settings. This is really useful if you're experiencing glitches, unusual behavior, or if you just want a fresh start with the program. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, if you currently have Audacity open on your computer, go ahead and close it completely. This is an important step because you can't modify the configuration files while the application is still running, so make sure it's fully shut down before proceeding. Now direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on the Start button or the Windows icon, whichever you see there. Once you click it, a search box will appear. In this search box, type the word Run and then click on it from the search results that appear. This will open the Run dialog box, which is a quick way to access various system functions and file locations on your Windows computer. In the Run dialog box that appears, you'll see a text field. Here's where you need to enter a specific path that will take you directly to Audacity's configuration folder. Type $appdata% \Audacity exactly as I'm saying it, then click the OK button. This command tells Windows to navigate to the App Data folder where Audacity stores all its settings and preferences. Once you click OK, a new window will open showing you the contents of Audacity's configuration folder. Here you need to locate a file named audacity.cfg. This is the main configuration file that contains all your current settings, preferences, and customizations. When you find this file, right-click on it to bring up a context menu. From this menu, select Delete. This action will remove your current configuration, and when you restart Audacity, it will automatically generate a fresh configuration file with all the default settings restored. Now that you've deleted the configuration file, open your Audacity application again. The program will detect that the configuration file is missing and will create a new one with factory default settings. When the application launches, you might see a prompt asking you to accept and continue with the terms or initial setup. If this prompt appears, simply click Accept and continue to proceed. And that's it, you've successfully reset Audacity to its default settings, giving you a clean slate to work with. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.